Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fenugreek and matcha green tea hair butter. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for the first phase of this butter, I'm going to be using the double boiler method to help infuse my carrier oil, which is going to be avocado oil. I'm going to be using 1 cup of avocado oil, and I'm going to infuse this oil with the matcha green tea as well as fenugreek powder, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of each powder. So first we have the matcha green tea powder, and I'm using matcha green tea because it is proven to be effective for hair growth. There is a special substance in matcha green tea known as EGCG that is beneficial for hair growth. EGCG can stimulate dermal cells and the hair growth follicles, which can ultimately lead to a faster hair growth. And when it comes to fenugreek, fenugreek is known to trigger hair growth, adding the lost shine to your hair, and also helps you to regrow your lost hair. So I have my stove on medium heat, and I'm just going to allow this to infuse for about 30 minutes. So this part is optional. So while the matcha green tea and fenugreek are infusing into the oil, I'm going to be preparing some carrot oil, and I'm just taking 1 carrot and I'm using this grater to shred the carrot. Carrots are rich with vitamin A, which make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrots help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the look of healthy 20s and prevent the growth of gray hair. So now I'm going to take half a cup of coconut oil, and I'm going to add it into a warm pan, and I have my pan on medium heat, and I'm going to then add the shredded carrots to the pan. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the carrot oil is looking like, and I'm just going to remove it from the heat and let it cool down. So after I've let the carrot oil cool down, I'm just going to strain the carrot oil and place it into a mason jar. So now back to the matcha and fenugreek oil. I'm just going to remove it from the heat. It's been about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and strain the oil through a cheesecloth. So now it's time to make the butter. I have half a cup of melted mango butter. You can use any type of butter that you would like. And I'm just going to add it into this bowl. And then from there, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the carrot oil. And then I'll be adding 1/4 cup of the matcha green tea and fenugreek oil. So after I've added all my oils into the butter, I'm just going to stir it up and make sure that everything is blended together. And then from there, I'm going to place the bowl into the freezer for about 20 minutes. So that way the butter can start to solidify, but I don't want it to be completely solid. So after about 20 minutes, I removed the bowl from the freezer and I've added my whisk attachment to my mixer, and I'm just going to whip the butter until I get a consistency that I am looking for.
What we do here is go back, 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 back,
So this hair butter is really amazing. It will help grow your hair. It will also help prevent breakage and split ends. And if you are suffering from dry scalp, this will definitely help moisturize your scalp and keep your hair moisturized for days. So you just want to apply the hair butter to your scalp. You want to also apply it to your ends, especially if you are suffering from dry hair, split ends, or breakage. You can use this hair butter daily, or you can use it as little as once a week, and you will still have hair that will be moisturized for days at a time. Make sure that you're keeping the butter in a nice, cool, dry area of your home, and also this butter will last about 3 to 6 months. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.